Meaning of Hertfordshire.
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 Hertfordshire. Hertfordshire is a county in southern England, located just north of London. The name Hertfordshire is derived from the Anglo-Saxon words Hortford, meaning deer crossing. The county has a rich history, with evidence of human habitation dating back to the Paleolithic era. It was also an important area during both the Roman and Saxon periods. Today, Hertfordshire is a modern county with a diverse economy, including industries such as pharmaceuticals, aerospace, and telecommunications. It is known for its countryside, historic towns and villages, stately homes, and gardens.